Hi guys, so this is our Toyota family. Mine's a '06 Tacoma and hers is an '05 4Runner. You'll be seeing some new projects with them both coming up shortly. She's going to be repainting this. It's going to be really neat. It's going to be like a mossy mint color, and then the top's going to be black, and then she's getting this decal kit for the hood. And then mine, I'm probably going to be taking the black off the bottom and getting decals for the side. Not sure yet. And then repainting the front bumper. Got Nuke Katie, my girlfriend, got me headlights for it. And repainting the bumper, the grills. Eventually we're going to get 2 aftermarket grills for both vehicles. And we'll need to get a lumber rack for the truck, so I can start building the overland setup for it. And then hers, she's got a bumper for it and the rack. Please like and subscribe and join us for the fun projects coming up.